The first step is to mix water with our ingredients. Let's start with ketchup. Maybe one more. This soap. 1, 2, 3. 50% dilution. And this is sunflower oil. Oops. 1. Now we are mixing this diluted ingredients with water. First ketchup mixture, then the soap mixture, then oil mixture. We pour them slowly into the center of the water. Are you ready? Was it a bit too fast? What just happened? Next. Just realized I put too much water in it. I'm gonna take some water out from top carefully. Last one is cooking oil coming. Now we need to mix this and see if it's gonna come back to normal. If this is the normal. And what about tissue? We didn't even use this one. What is that for? As you can see, ChatGPT did me bad again. If this is fun, I don't know what is not fun. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoy your drink.